Dear students, we are in Eamcet Mathematics and also we are in quadratic expressions. One class we have finished, 5 questions also we have finished. This is second class for this quadratic equation. Let us see question number 6 to question number 10 in this class. Okay. Question number 6 you see Eamcet 2016 question. If alpha beta are the roots of x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0, then quadratic equation whose roots are alpha to the power of 2015, beta to the power of 2015 is like they are asking. You see, alpha beta we don't know, but alpha beta are the roots of first equation. First you have to find alpha beta from the first equation. Okay? For those values you have to apply power 2015. Okay? Certain value will come. Those values you have to apply for these 4 equations. Which equation suitable for these values, then that will be your answer. Okay, let us proceed then. Okay, let us proceed. First to find the alpha. See what I am writing. X square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Find the square roots. You see here factorization is not going to work. We will take this discriminant method. Okay, minus b, minus of minus, plus 1, plus or minus square root of b square minus 1 square 1 minus 4 into a is 1 into c also 1 divided by 2a, 2 into 1, that is equal to, you see 1 plus or minus square root of, you see 1 minus 4 minus 3 by 2. Okay, see 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Shall I write like this? Definitely I can write like this. You see, again I want to make, you see that I am taking a minus as common, then minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. But because minus minus going to get cancelled out. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now you see, what are these? Minus of this is minus omega okay, minus if you take common, what will be there? Minus omega. Another one is minus omega square. Sorry, this is omega. Inside you don't keep minus. Why? Because see, outside minus is there. Already minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 means omega. Minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2 means minus omega. That means see, these roots are minus omega and minus omega square. See, shall I take alpha beta? Let alpha is equal to minus omega, beta is equal to minus omega square. Okay, definitely we can take. Now go for alpha to the power of 2015, beta to the power of 2015. Right now, alpha to the power of 2015 is equal to 1 by 1 you do, or else you are unable to do. Minus omega whole to the power of 2015. First of all, logically this is not even number, odd number. That means minus will come. Minus you keep omega power 2015. That is equal to 2015. You divide it with 3. Why? Because omega cube is 1. That is why I have to divide with 3. See, 3 6s are 18, 21. 3 7s are 21, 5. 3 1s are 3, 2. Minus omega square. Okay, let it be like this. Now go back for this one. Okay, go back for alpha. See, this alpha to the power of 2015 value is this one, minus omega square. Let it be. Now you see, go for your beta to the power of 2015. Beta means minus omega square whole to the power of 2015. Here also you see minus 2015 means odd, that is the minus you keep omega power 2015 into 4030. That is equal to minus you keep, but omega power to 4030 means how it is going to become? See, 3 1s are 3, 10, 3 3s are 9, 13, 3 4s are 12, 10, 3 3s are 9, 1. Remainder is 1, that means omega power 1. minus omega. Okay. Now you close this, rub this one. And now you see alpha 2015, alpha power 2015 is this one, beta to the power of 2015 is this one. Now what I am doing, now you require two roots. Two roots are these only. But see, equation you have to find any other equation, but for that equation alpha plus beta and alpha into beta we have to find. You see, that means see, for this equation these are the roots. That means you see alpha to the power of 2015 plus beta to the power of 2015 is equal to, how much it is going to become? You see, minus omega square plus minus omega, minus of omega plus omega square. Now you tell me 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, or else omega square will give minus 1. Here omega square means minus of minus 1, that is equal to 1. That means see, addition of roots should come 1. Let it be. Okay, this one. And you go for multiplication of roots also. Why? Because two roots you have to get, na? Alpha to the power of 2015 into beta to the power of 2015 is equal to, you multiply. If you multiply, automatically what will come? Minus omega square into minus omega. Minus going to become plus. Omega cube will come. Omega cube value is 1. That means see, both roots if you add, alpha plus beta should come 1. If you multiply, alpha into beta should come 1 like. Go for one by one equation. Why? Because see, first equation if you see, alpha plus beta means minus b by a, minus of minus plus 1 by 1, 1. Okay, this is okay, but see, two tick marks you have to give. 1 okay. C by a, alpha into beta, 1 has to come. 1 by 1. That means answer is this only. You need not go for second one for checking. You understand this question? Okay. That means see what I am writing. For x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. See, for these roots are this one. Say alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That is equal to minus b means minus of minus plus 1 by 1. That is equal to 1. 1 is there? Yes. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Here c is 1. 1 by 1. 1. 1 is there? Yes, sir. That means this is the required equation, first equation. Okay. Let us go for seventh question. Okay. See, seventh question. Let two numbers have arithmetic mean is 9 and geometric mean is 4. Okay. That means see, two numbers we don't know what are those numbers. But if you do arithmetic mean, 9 has to come. Geometric mean 4 has to come. Then these numbers are the roots of quadratic equation. That means those numbers are nothing but alpha and beta. Okay. Which is the quadratic equation, like they are asking. You see what I am doing now? Arithmetic means you see am is equal to alpha plus beta by 2. That is equal to 9. Or else we require alpha plus beta, that is equal to 18. Okay. Then geometric mean gm is equal to square root of alpha beta. That is equal to 4. Okay. That means see, alpha beta is equal to 16. Okay. Now one by one you take equation and you see alpha plus beta should come 18, alpha into beta should come 16. Okay. See, directly I am taking fourth one. You see what will happen here. Fourth one I am taking, you see, x square minus 18x plus 16 equal to 0. See, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Here already minus is there. Minus of minus plus 18 by 1. That is equal to 18. Alpha plus beta should be 18. Okay. Then go for alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C 16 by 1. 16 has to come. 16. Okay. That means see, I am taking this as answer. You understand this question? Okay. This is JEE question 2004. Okay. If you do this remaining question, this answer is not going to come. Why? Because here plus is there. Minus only, then minus b is going to become plus. This is also Okay, but here minus is there. That means C is not going to be a match. And like this, equations are there. Okay. Let us go for 8th question. See question number 8. Here two equations are there, two roots are there. Alpha, beta is roots for first equation. Alpha plus h, beta plus h. Both are separate. These are roots of this second equation. Then you see they are asking h. Why? Because the h is there in both. H they are asking what is the value of h like. Okay. See how you are going to find h. See, if you see both are different, then you are unable to do. Both are related. That means see that h value you also can get from here. Why? Because see, if you see logically, alpha, beta are the roots of this one. For this alpha plus h is the root of this one. Or beta plus h is the root of this one. Okay, that logic is there. That is the thing we have to find. Okay. See, let us do it. You see what will happen here? All x square. What I am doing, you see, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. For this equation, alpha plus beta. Why? Because alpha, beta are the roots. Alpha plus beta means you see minus b by 1 or minus b, comma. Alpha into beta. C by a. C is C only by 1. C. Okay? Say okay. Then go for this one. Second one. Okay, write down second one. Second one, x square again I am writing, you see. X square plus qx plus r equal to 0, comma. Here you see, for this alpha, beta are not the roots. So alpha plus h, beta plus h. You see what I am writing? Alpha plus h plus beta plus h is equal to minus p by a, minus q by 1, minus q. Okay? Alpha into beta. That means alpha into beta means what you are going to write? Alpha plus h into beta plus h. Okay? Is equal to c by a, c r by 1. R. Okay? R. Now you see, they are asking h. Even without doing this also we can find h. You see what will happen here? Alpha plus beta plus 2h is equal to minus q. Alpha plus beta plus 2h is equal to minus q. Okay? Alpha plus beta value you are having, comma you keep minus b. Alpha plus beta is minus b plus 2h is equal to minus q. Okay? Now they are asking h value only, na? Then what I am writing, you see, 2h is equal to this plus b, it is going to become b minus q. Then h will be b minus q by 2. That's all. This is the answer for this question. Okay? Let us go for 9th question. Okay, see question number 9. This is a JEE 2015 question. The roots of the equation, so and so equation, be consecutive integers. See, they have not given alpha, beta like. But alpha, beta we can take. Alpha, beta are here consecutive integers. What is consecutive integer? See, what I want to say here, they have not told that positive integer. Okay, that is the answer they have given, even negative also. You see, consecutive integers means, you see, 1 is integer, afterwards consecutive means 2 is the next integer, continuous integer. Or else if you take 2, 3 may be there and 1 also may be there. 1, 2 or 2, 3 are the consecutive integers. 1, 2, 3 are consecutive integers, but here roots are only 2. That means you either 1 or 2 or 2 or 3 you can take it. This is called consecutive integer. What about this 0 and minus 1 are also consecutive integers. And minus 1, minus 2 are also consecutive integers. Minus 4 and minus 5 are also consecutive integers. But minus 4 and minus 6 are not consecutive integers. Why? Because in between minus 5 is there. Okay? That is the concept you have to understand here. Okay. Now, go for question. Okay. Now, what they are asking is the roots of the equation are consecutive integers. Okay. First, you write down what are the roots. You see, alpha plus beta is equal to minus of minus plus b by 1. Okay. Then alpha into beta, c by 1, c. Okay. Now see, consecutive integers means what? Alpha, beta, there is a difference between alpha and beta is 1. Or shall I write like this? Alpha minus beta may be 1 or beta minus alpha may be 1. We don't know. But what I do, I will put this one. Modulus. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now alpha minus beta or beta minus alpha, both will give 1 only. Okay, minus 1 will not come. That is why modulus I have kept. Now see what they are asking. B square minus 4c they are asking. B square minus 4c means you see B is what? This one. 4c means 4 times half d. See what I am doing now. Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Okay? See, alpha minus beta whole square, alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay? Now what I want to do, I want to add. Why? Because alpha minus beta square I want. Okay, see, alpha minus beta whole square plus alpha plus beta whole square plus if you keep alpha, these two will come, but I don't want to keep plus, I will keep minus only. Okay, see what I am writing now. See, alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha minus beta whole square is equal to, I am subtracting. Subtraction means you see alpha square beta square going to get cancelled. 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta, 4 alpha beta is going to come. Okay, now this time what I do, I am sending alpha minus beta whole square this side is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Okay, now you go back. You are having alpha plus beta and alpha beta both. Okay, see, alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square. Alpha plus beta is b square. B square minus 4 into alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is c. B square minus 4c. You see, b square minus 4c only they are asking. But this is equal to alpha minus beta whole square. But alpha minus beta whole square you cannot write. Why? Because you have to give the value in answers. How you are going to do the answer? Okay. Now you go here. You see here. Alpha minus beta modulus is there. That means, see, shall I write this like this? Alpha minus beta modulus square. Definitely I can write. Okay. That means, see, 1 is there. 1 square is equal to b square minus 4c. Or else b square minus 4c is equal to 1. Why? Because 1 square is 1 only. Okay. Answer is D. Okay. Let us go for 10th question. Okay. See, Eamcet 2012 question, 10th question. In a triangle PQR, one angle they have given R pi by 4. That means 45 degree. If tan of p by 3 and tan of q by 3 are the roots of the equation, what is that equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay. But for that, these two are the roots. Then they are asking what are these options? Which option is correct? Okay. Now see what I am doing. I am drawing one figure first. Because triangle means you have to understand something. Okay. See, this triangle, it may be equilateral, isosceles or scaling, whatever it may be. You see, PQR means P, Q and R is there. Okay. Now here only R is 45 degree, pi by 4. This is pi by 4. Now tell me what is the angles of the triangle? 180 degree. Okay. See what I am writing here. P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degree. And R already they have given. That means, see, P plus Q is equal to 180 degree minus 45 degree. Okay. How can you write this? Shall I write like this? P plus Q is equal to, see, 180 minus 135. 135 means 3 pi by 4. Okay. See, this 3 shall I send here? P plus Q by 3 is equal to pi by 4. 3 I am sending this side. Pi by 4. Is it okay? Okay. Also I can write like this. P by 3 plus Q by 3 is equal to pi by 4. Definitely I can write. Why I have written? You see here P by 3 is there. Q by 3 is there. P by 3, Q by 3. You have to write. Then also tan is there. Also tan is there. Then you apply tan for both sides. Tan of P by 3 plus Q by 3 is equal to 1. Why? Because tan pi by 4 is 1. That directly I have written. Tan pi by 4 I have not written again. Okay. You see, This tan of A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, that is equal to 1. Okay. Now, okay, this is equal to 1. Now wait. Why? Because see, in a triangle, okay, and tan roots of equation, okay, then A plus B plus C is equal to something like, we have to see, okay. Now you tell me, these roots they have given already. Alpha plus beta you find first. Alpha plus beta means what? Tan of P by 3 plus tan of Q by 3. Okay? Alpha plus beta. These are roots. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A. Minus B by A. Okay? This is one thing. Another one. Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta means what? Tan of P by 3 into tan of Q by 3. Alpha into beta. That is equal to C by A. C is not C only, C by A only. Okay, C by A. Now these two values substitute in this. Okay, tan of P by 3 plus tan of P by 3 means minus B by A. Write down. Minus B by A divided by 1 minus tan of P by 3 into tan of Q by 3 means what? C by A. C by A, that is equal to, okay, this numerator minus B by A keep like this only. You see, A minus C by A minus C divided by A going to get cancelled out. Minus B by A minus C is equal to 1. What is this one? This one is this one. Okay. Now you see, A minus C minus B is equal to A minus C. I have sent this that side. Okay. Now you see, A plus B is equal to C. Okay. Now you send A, B you send that side, then C you send this side. A plus B is equal to C. I think this is the correct answer. Okay. A plus B is equal to C. A plus B is equal to C. That's all. B plus C is not equal to 0. Why? Because C, B minus C will come, or else C minus B will come. B plus C is not going to happen here. A plus C is equal to B. A plus C is not going to happen. Minus C only. B is equal to C is also not correct. Okay. This is the correct answer. Okay. Now we stop this class and we will continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.